Alright guys, today we are in the city of Antalya and we are right now walking through the bazaar, heading down to the old city. Hopefully we can catch a sunset down there, but if not, we're just going to take you for a walk and show you this charming little old city that we have been enjoying for like 3 days now. We even stayed longer, it was so nice
So
here.
nice here.
Alright, so let's go across this crazy street here. All right, here comes the madness. You ready?
Yeah, come on.
See what he say?
No alcohol.
Let's see if it works. Is this our friend right here?
Is he in there?
Yep.
We'll catch him on the way down.
Yeah, so we'll walk behind
They're pretty honest about the fact that everything's fake, but it's genuine fake, so I don't know what that actually is.
No pain, no pain, no gain, no shorts. Here's our favorite restaurant in town. We've been here several nights. We might be back tonight. This is our first walking video, so Gabriel, I hope we do you good.
Rusty.
You might get run over. Hold on. What happened with the game last night? How was it?
We fucked it.
Did you?
Yeah. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. I'm fine. How are you guys?
Any game tonight?
Yeah,
We're
tonight
vlogging
Arsenal
for our
play.
YouTube channel.
Are you?
Yeah,
That's cool,
we had
yeah?
dinner with this guy a few nights ago. Unfortunately, his team didn't win that night, but
Yeah.
we better off today.
So yesterday we won.
Yesterday?
Beşiktaş beat Galatasaray.
All right.
So that's the derby for us. It's okay.
Who's
And
playing tonight?
Tonight Arsenal is playing with Leeds United.
You gonna be there?
Oh, I'm there. I
All
live
right,
there,
we'll
so
see you in a
I'll
little while,
tonight,
all right?
yeah?
All right, we'll see you after the
Love you.
sunset.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Yep.
New channel, new channel.
Brand new channel.
We're okay.
Hold on. What's so funny?
Really like.
Sure, go ahead. Tell us about
Merhaba,
Turkey.
Türkiye'den arıyorum. Türkçe izleyiciler varsa onlara selam söylüyorum. Hepsi bu kadar. Belki Türkçe izleyiciler var.
You talk in English. He went all South America, so he's got loads of stories.
Oh
Tell
yeah.
them one small one in English, please.
Hello again. There is now 20 centigrade. Very nice. You know, very hot. We are waiting. Thank you very much.
And we'll be here.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Good to meet you.
Thank you.
We'll catch you tonight for the game. Good, how are you? All right. We got some, thank you. And nobody's been really pressuring us or anything, so it's been fun.
Yeah, the hawkers in Egypt versus here is so different. They don't actually pressure you into anything. It's come as you please, leave as you please.
So far though, that's been what it's been like everywhere we went. Everybody's been super friendly. And it's just been a lot of fun walking around all over Turkey. Even Istanbul was like that. It was just a lot of fun.
These little alleyways are so cute.
Let's go back this way. Or both of us.
I think the clouds might foil it.
Oh, we'll go down and find out.
Yeah?
You
All
want to
right.
go around this way or go this way?
Yeah, we can go down.
So when you combine that fun vibe with good food, great weather, lots of stuff to do, definitely put Antalya on your list of places to go when you come to Turkey.
Yeah,
So far, I think it's my favorite city. I think it's even nicer than Istanbul. A little
Yeah.
less relaxed, you know?
Yeah, it's blown away my expectation. I love the whole beachy vibe. Everybody's just chill.
And wait just 1 minute until you see the view of this harbor up here. It is to die for. Here's the little harbor. You can see the castle walls up there, minarets in the sky. Boats are all going out for their dinner cruises. Unfortunately, I think those clouds are going to ruin our sunset, but definitely not going to kill the mood.
This guy I remember said, I want to watch the sunset.
Best seat in the house. Oh, there's more people swimming too.
It's so clear.
Wow. not a bad resort to stay at if you got the money to stay right on the harbor. We don't. So hit
don't,
that
but we
subscribe
will.
button so we can afford it. See the pirate ship back over there? There's a bunch of them here in harbor. They take people out on dinner cruises and whatnot. But for some reason, they all have that ugly squid guy from Pirates of the Caribbean on the front of their ship. I don't know what that's about. We have to figure that one out, but all of them have it. Look at that. Clouds, still pretty epic. It is a Tuesday night, so it's not really that crowded down here, which is really nice. But it's peaceful, it's beautiful.
That must be Mama.
More coming behind us.
Merhaba, hoş geldiniz. Böyle alabilirim.
No, thank you.
Like.
Not hungry? So here's these ships we were telling you about. Captain Akar. And we got another one just a few feet down. Alright, so you see this tower back there? According to Google, that is one of the things to do here in Antalya. It takes you from the street all the way down to the harbor here and costs a few bucks, but honestly the walk down the steps is just as easy and no line to wait on, so we skipped that and just walk down the steps.
I was gonna say, yeah, it's crowded in there too. Take the
Skip
more
it.
scenic route, yeah.
Skip
Walk.
it. Alright, let's see. Now we also saw. Alright guys, so we're here gonna get the ice cream treatment. And this is our ice cream sale. What's your name?
Demir.
Demish? Alright.
Hello.
Hello.
Ready?
I don't want that. That's the good part. Oh. Enjoy. It's not coming out.
Oh, come on.
Well, I want ice cream.
Oh. Cream, vanilla, chocolate and vanilla mix. chocolate, banana.
Mix.
No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
How much?
10 lira. Is
Thank you.
sorry, ice cream is.
Oh, that's all right. We gave it a try, right? We gave it a try.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so I think our friend was having a little bit of trouble with his ice cream back there, but it was still fun nonetheless. And we'll try to get one when we get to Istanbul with the guy who's got it going on a little better. But what do you think about the ice cream?
It's so good. It is good.
Yeah, it was. We're leaving the Marina. We're heading back into the Old Town. Lots of cats. So we were gonna head back to the room after our sunset was ruined by the clouds, but they told us to come up here to this viewpoint. I don't know, maybe he thinks the clouds won't be here, but we'll check it out.
It's a different view of the city.
Yeah.
That was what I think he was trying to tell us to go see.
Here it is, the viewpoint.
Quite a peaceful place.
So back here we have Route 66 Burger, so that's the American road. Then behind me down this alley is the Thai massage shops and the Thai road. And then if you look over this way, it's the German road, Frankfurt restaurants. A little bit of everything here.
And now we're just searching for a Mexican restaurant.
All right, we got some full bellies and now we're just going for a little walk back through the old city, now that it's lit up. If I don't get run over. Alright. Oh, here's our old friend the dog. No puppies here. Oh, this really is dead here. It's dark out now and we're gonna head back to our hotel, but first we're gonna stop off and get a few snacks. So, as always, right? So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.